The stalls are on, the degrees are in hand, and the class of 2026 is ready to take on the world. We caught up with the graduates of GIM to see how the journey transformed them. From dreams to reality. This is what Goa Institute of Management is all about. When you first applied to GIM, what was the dream and how does it look now?
So I came with two intentions when I came to this campus. One is to maximize my experience in terms of experiencing whatever the MBA has to offer and maximize my learning, and that means academic and non-academic. And if I look back at very short way, I think both boxes are quite adequately checked. I have ensured maximum learnings and maximum experience.
What was that one GIM moment that challenged you to find your why?
My dream is still to become the CEO of a company. But the case competitions that I gave, that helped me understand the nitty-gritties of how exactly execution is happened. Through the case competitions, through different group presentations, I understood about myself, understood what my strengths are, what my weaknesses are, and how to improve myself better.
Beyond the degree, what's the one purpose driving your career today?
Friends, family, and work ethics. I think these are the three most important things that I've got from GIM, and those are going to be driving me forward to work in a better environment and forge new relationships and kingship.
Who is the one person at GIM who pushed you to find an even bigger why?
When it comes to inspire, it always chair BDA chair Professor Balasubramaniam. Other than that, there are other professors also. In the last semester, we have a course which is on creativity. That was fun, and it inspired us. It inspired me and my friends to think creatively. As we are from BDA, it's a technical background. It's a technical degree too, but it is somewhat different because we, as an engineer background, we never think of creativity. It was great, and what motivates us is my friends who were there always for me.
If your GIM journey was a movie title, what would it be?
For me, it would be Dhurandhar, because I'm from a civil engineering background, and learning MBA in big data analytics seemed like I was a spy here, coming from a different background and doing things here.
Mine would be All the Way Up, because since the time I've come here, I've also always ensured that I meet my goals. So it's all the way up.
So it will be Three Idiots, because we are the three of the best friends and we are just rolling around how we will go, how we will do the assignments, how placement will be there. So that will be this thing.
Wake Up Sid, that would be for me, because it helped me understand myself better and what I need to improve on.
A chapter ends, but the legacy begins. Congratulations to the class of 2026. Go forth and conquer. Keep shining, Goa Institute of Management.